So I thought I'd do a quick post and talk about a project I'm working on. I don't know if you can see. I'm 3D printing these cool tubes that can hold like D&D mats in them. They've got caps on top and bottom, and they come into sections. For a friend, they're gonna have 3 or 4 different formats. Like this one is a Cthulhu guy, and this one's Catacombs, and then I've got a Viking one coming and a steampunk one I'm working on. And if I take you into where my printers are, I can show you that too. Printers are working away. I have 2, and they're just coming out with the parts. So just thought I'd give you guys a little heads up of what I'm doing.